Meaning of intersex.
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 Intersex. Intersex is a term used to describe people who are born with physical sex characteristics that do not fit typical male or female classifications. This can include variations in chromosomes, hormones, genitals, and reproductive anatomy. Intersex traits are not uncommon, and estimates suggest that approximately 1 in every 2,000 people are intersex. It is important to understand that intersex is a natural variation of human biology and should not be stigmatized or pathologized.